Do you like vegetables? Asian style? That's what I'm gonna cook today. Broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, mushrooms. Stick around, watch this video, and I hope you cook this recipe because it is tasty. It is so easy to make at home. Okay, for this recipe, we're gonna use green beans. You can buy the green beans in a supermarket. They come sometimes packed in a plastic bag. When you buy them, I like to give them a rinse, even though sometimes it says that they're already like clean or rinsed. Just give them a rinse with cold water. And sometimes these beans, in the tip they have this little thing that we don't want to eat. Just remove it with a knife, okay? We don't want that. And I have some water here boiling. We want to put the green beans in there for around 4 to 5 minutes. You don't want to leave them there longer because they will become too mushy, too soft. So just cook them for 4 or 5 minutes. You can always grab one and just give it a bite to see if they're tender. Okay, they're already cooked. I'm also going to use this bag of broccoli, carrots, and snow peas. Always like take them out of the bag and just rinse them. And I'm going to use this bag too, which I pay like $4 for both of them. So $2 per bag. The beans are already cooked. I'm going to use a strainer. Everything's very hot, be careful. And I'm not going to waste the water where I boiled the beans. I'm going to reuse it. Okay, so the same water, we're going to put it in this pot. Now we're going to steam the vegetables. We're not going to boil them, okay? Just steam them. Some people like to boil the vegetables. I think when you do that, they lose a lot of nutrients, and it's better just to steam them. Make sure you use cold water for the green beans after you take them out of the pot, and just set them aside. Now we have here all the broccoli, carrots. You can use any kind of vegetables for steaming. Put a lid and just wait 7 minutes, okay? They're already cooked. I didn't have to boil them. Now you can get rid of the water. We don't need it anymore. I just like to have the vegetables a little bit soft, tender. I'm gonna put everything together here with the green beans. And now in a separate pan, I'm gonna add some canola oil. And I like to wait for the oil to be a little bit hot. And I'm gonna use half an onion here. I like eating this sometimes. Sometimes I get tired of eating meat or chicken every day. Sometimes our body needs a lot of vegetables, don't you think? So put all the onions in here. Just give it a stir with a spoon. Wait for the onion to be soft. And we're gonna add some mushroom. I love mushrooms. Sliced mushroom, and just keep mixing everything in here. This is gonna be so amazing. You can have this for dinner, for lunch. You can share it with your family. So good to eat a lot of vegetables. I have here some garlic and ginger that I make at home. It's just a lot of garlic and ginger in a blender with olive oil. And one of these days I'm gonna upload a video and show you how to make a garlic and ginger paste so you can have it ready. Keep mixing everything here. Start smelling delicious in your kitchen. The mushrooms are gonna act like meat. Now you put all the soft vegetables, green beans, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and we are almost finishing here. Now just keep mixing everything. This time use a tongue. That way it's so easy to grab the vegetables. And you want to make sure the vegetables absorb all the flavor from the garlic and the ginger. Cook everything with low medium heat, okay? I'm gonna add some soy sauce since we're making something Asian style. Maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. I'm gonna add some hoisin sauce. Don't put any salt because these sauces have a lot of sodium. I'm gonna add some oyster sauce too. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And just at the end, just combine everything, mix everything, and you're gonna enjoy something delicious. What do you think? Do you like it? I hope you enjoy this. Like I said, share it with your family if you think this is too much for one person. But I enjoy eating vegetables, and you don't have to eat this with rice. I would just probably eat it with like grilled chicken, grilled steak, or something like that, or just eat it the way you want it. Just put it on a plate, and you're ready to eat it. Make sure you put a little bit of the sauce or the juice that is there, because there's a lot of flavor. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you prepare this at home. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and come back because I'm always uploading videos here. Have a wonderful day. Look at this. Looks so amazing. So easy to make. Do not go to a restaurant and pay for this. You can make it at home, and it's so cheap. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.